Good morning, children. So last class we have discussed up to solution. What is mean by solution? So what are the components present in the solutions? Okay. So solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. Okay. So in a solution which is present in less amount. Okay. In a solution which is present in large amount. Okay, by weight is called here solvent, here solute. Okay, so solute plus solvent is nothing but what? Solutions. Okay, so next one. So based on the physical state, okay, so solution can be classified into different types. Okay, so last class we have seen up to based on the solvent. Okay, so today we are going to start the new classification. So last class we have discussed up to solutions can be classified based on the physical state. Another one, solutions can be classified based on their solvent. Okay, aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution. So what is meant by aqueous solution? The solution is made up of water act as a solvent, aqueous solutions. Okay, what is meant by non-aqueous solution? Except water, any other substance act as a solvent. That solution is called non-aqueous solutions. Okay, so next one, third category, based on the amount of solute. Based on the amount of solute. Okay, so third category, based on the amount of solute. Okay, so we know what is meant by solute. Okay, in a solution which is present in less amount by weight is called solute. Okay, so if you are taking one beaker, we are adding 50 ml of water. Okay, so we are adding 10 gram of one substance, sometimes 20 gram, sometimes 30 gram, sometimes 50 gram, okay, sometimes 100 gram. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, what will happen? So based on the amount of solute, okay, solution can be classified into three types. Okay, so one is saturated. One is saturated solution. Okay, second one, unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Third one, supersaturated solution. So based on their amount of solute, solution can be classified into three types. Okay, one is saturated solution, another one is unsaturated solution, third one supersaturated solutions. Okay, for example, if you are taking only one example, based on this I will explain these three definitions. Okay, so 100 ml, 100 gram of water, 100 gram of water. Okay, at what degree Celsius? 25 degree Celsius. Okay, 100 gram of water. At what temperature we have to maintain? 25 degree Celsius we have to maintain. So first definitions we will see. Which one? Saturated solution. So what is mean by saturated solutions? Okay, so what is the definition? A solution which no more solute can be dissolved in definite amount of solvent at a given temperature. So what is the definition for saturated solution? A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in definite amount of solvent at a given temperature. At a given temperature is called saturated solution. That means what is the meaning? Okay, so if you are adding 36 gram of NaCl, NaCl means sodium chloride. Okay, so 36 gram of sodium chloride added to definite amount of solvent. Definite amount of solvent means 100 gram of water at a given temperature at 25 degrees Celsius. That solution is called a saturated solutions. Okay, so when we are maintaining the temperature 25 degrees Celsius, okay, exactly, okay, 100 gram of the solvent consumes only 36 gram of sodium chloride. Okay, suppose if we are adding excess of sodium chloride, that means what ma? So more than 36 gram if you are adding, what will happen? That solutions becomes super saturated. Okay, so excess. Okay, so further if you are adding what? Excess of solute, okay, the solutions become super saturated solutions. So what is the definition for super saturated solutions? Okay, so super saturated solution is one that contains more solute than the saturated one. Okay, than the saturated one. Okay, so what is mean by unsaturated solution? So what is mean by unsaturated solution? So unsaturated solution is nothing but, okay, solution that one contain, okay, less amount of solute is present in when compared to which one? Saturated solutions. Okay, saturated solutions. Okay, that is called unsaturated solutions. Okay, so based on this example, okay, so saturated means exactly 36 gram of sodium chloride dissolved in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so if you are adding less than 36 gram of sodium chloride at a given temperature at given definite amount of solvent, that solution to make it as unsaturated. If you are adding excess of solute, what will happen? It becomes super saturated. Okay, exactly if you are adding saturated, less unsaturated, excess super saturated. Okay, this is a classification based on the amount of solute. Okay, one is saturated, another one is unsaturated, another one is super saturated. Okay, so next one, next category, based on the amount of solute. So based on the concentration and dilute. Okay, so concentration and dilute solution. So what is mean by concentrated solution and dilute solutions? For example, okay, so 40 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1 liter, okay, to make it as one normal solution, okay. For example, okay, the same, okay, instead of 40 gram, okay, so divided by 10, okay, suppose 4 gram sodium hydroxide dissolved in 1 liter, okay, either it will give one normal or less than one normal, okay, less than one normal solutions. Okay, that means what is the meaning? So if you are taking, okay, 100 ml of solvent, the same beaker, here 100 ml, okay, here if you are adding 10 gram of solute, here 1 gram of solute. Okay, so which solutions contain 10 gram of solute? Okay, that solution is called concentrated. Okay, which solutions contain less amount of the solute? That solution is called dilute solutions. Okay, the concentrated and dilute solutions based on the qualitative, not in the quantitative, quality. Okay, not in the quantity. Okay, so next one, the difference is observed by means of some physical characteristics such as color, density, etc. Okay, the two solution is given to us. Okay, so they may ask to identify which one is concentrated and which one is dilute. Based on their color or based on their density, we can identify which one is concentrated and which one is dilute. Okay, for simple example, in day-to-day life, we are seeing in our home also. So we are preparing the tea or coffee. Okay, sometimes if you are adding 1 cup of tea, excess of sugar, another 1 cup of tea, less amount of sugar. Okay, so how can we identify which one is concentrated and which one is dilute? Based on the taste nature. Okay, which solutions give more taste? Okay, so we will say that is called a concentrated. Okay, so which solution it will give less taste, that is called dilute solutions. Okay, so that's all the classification of solutions based on the different matter. Okay, so first one based on the physical state, second one based on the solvent, third one based on the amount of solute present, fourth one concentration and dilute solutions. Okay, so remaining part we will see in the next class. So what is mean by solubility, and what are the factors are affecting the solubility. So what is mean by solubility? Okay, so if you are taking the particular amount of the solvent, if you are adding the solute, okay, exactly we may add, it will dissolve. Okay, suppose excess we may add, it will not dissolve in the particular amount of the solvent. Suppose we may apply pressure, temperature or some other factor, it will dissolve. So these are all the factors are affecting the factors affecting the solubilities. Okay, so these parts we will see in the tomorrow class. Okay, so tomorrow and the day after tomorrow maximum I will try to complete in this lessons. Okay, so almost half of the lesson is over, just have to go through the up to the third portions. Okay, so thank you children, thank you.